Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to enter your Ford Focus radio code. First, you'll need to locate the 4-digit security code. This is often printed on a card in your owner's manual or inside the glove compartment. If you can't find it there, check your vehicle's service records. As a last resort, a Ford dealership can retrieve the code for you using your vehicle identification number, or VIN. Once you have your code, turn on your Ford Focus radio. The display should show code or 4 dashes, indicating it's ready for input. You'll use the radio's preset buttons, usually numbered 1 through 4, to enter each digit of your code. For example, to enter the first digit, you'll press the corresponding preset button. To enter the first digit, press the preset button that matches that number. For instance, if your first digit is 3, press preset button 3. Repeat this process for the second, third, and fourth digits of your code. After all 4 digits are entered, press the 6th preset button to confirm. The radio should then unlock and begin functioning normally. If you enter the code incorrectly multiple times, your radio may temporarily lock, displaying wait or locked. Don't worry, this is a security feature. You'll typically need to leave the ignition on for about 1 hour before you can try again. If you continue to experience issues or cannot find your code, it's best to contact a Ford service center for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.